Hello everyone, welcome back. Now today we are going to learn we are going to write the display method for displaying the records of the employee which we have added which we are going to add in this employee application. Now I'm going to write display method. Now in this display method we need to display department wise or not, so I'm going to set this value to none, because when we are going to call this display method, at that time we are passing the department name. So if dpt is equals to none, which means we have to display all the employee information. So if department is none, then our data is stored in this employee list dictionary. So we need to iterate it for retrieving. We are storing the record like employee ID and the object of employee. So I will put one variable ID and object of employee is E. So for I in app dot emp list dot iterate items, it's going to provide us these two values, key and value, for that particular dictionary. So here I'm going to put it like this. Now we are printing this value ID of the employee. Then the next information we need to put it here is e dot name, then e dot department, and e dot salary that we are already generating, already stored in that employee object. So next we need to display column name here, print empid /t. So first column is employee ID, next column will be the name. So again putting /t is for the tab space, and department, then /t only single, because it will cover those name /t, and the last one is salary. So here we are, I think, all set to display. If, or we can set else if dpt or else. Now here we need to check for the department name. So again we require this value, and here we are going to check if dpt is equals to e dot dpt. Here in dpt we are storing these values 1, 2, 3. So here also it's just going to display that value. So to display the name we need to use the dpt list here. So app dot dpt list, and we are passing this key to this dictionary so that it will print the department name. Here also we are passing the just value, not the name of particular department. So if it is equal, then we will call this print statement so that it's going to print this information. So let's try this. We will execute it on terminal. So pdpy video menu driven python app.py. So here application start adding first employee Ravi, product the department is department 1, salary of Ravi is 1000. Now let's see to display the department. Okay, it's not working because we have not added here that particular choice. So else if choice is equals to 2, then app dot display method will be called. Now let's execute one more time. So adding the first employee, let's say Amit, product department, salary 1000k. Now let's display it. So you can see here we are getting employee ID, name, department and salary, but this is not come in that way, so I can change it by providing the tab spaces. So let's do this by exit this code, come back here while printing this information. So we know that we require to print one /t, and again here we required one /t, and here also we reply one /t. Now the same line is used here to display this information. Now let's execute one more time, adding one employee, Amit, product, salary 1000, and 2 is Amit, product and salary. So still we are not getting it properly. I think there is some correction we can make on ID, and now I think it will work. Let's see. Yeah, for displaying in a proper format it required trial and error so many times, because we are not storing this record or not making those record persistent. It will be as a feature of file handling. So salary of 1000k. Now if you want to display the record, it will be displayed like this. That is almost okay. We need to put one /t in front of the name, as double T is coming here. So I hope this is working. Now for the display method, here we can set two choice: display by department, display by name, display all. So in next video we are going to see how to change this to display by name and to display by department name and display all. So here we are already displaying all. Now we need to look at this department method. So we are providing choice inside this display, and in the next video we will see how to display department wise and to display all in this choice. So this will be the sub choice.